Thank you very much all for being here. I hope I am audible and loud. This is Lovelina and me bringing you our best wishes from Maldives, where we had the honor and the pleasure to be with Cynthia ji, Raju, and their two wonderful kids last week. So thank you very much, everybody, and namaste and vanakkam. And I know I can't speak Telugu, but one fine day it's one of my dreams to be able to speak in a regional language. I can speak in Kashmiri, of course, that's my mother tongue, but that you don't understand. So, am I audible, everyone?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. Very much audible, sir.
Okay, sir. So, namaste to you also, sir, and thank you for this wonderful photograph.
Welcome, sir.
Background looks very nice. Maybe the models also look nice too. And last week we were in Maldives with Rajuji and Cynthia ji, thanks to their generosity. And honestly, we can never thank them for whatever they have done for us in the last so many years. And if I am here, it is not because I am special, it is because they are special, and their speciality is making other people feel special. So I feel nice, I feel happy when I'm with them, but truly it is their graciousness, their hospitality, and their greatness that we feel welcome. So let us get into the training today, because see, you can carry on for a lot of time, but we have 90 minutes. So many things today you listen will be maybe for the first time, and they may not be what you are practicing. They may not be what you have been told. They may not be what you think. So please, it's my request, don't change anything unless you talk to your appliance, talk to your sponsor, talk to Rajuji. So anything that you like in this training today, you're welcome to adopt it. But don't make a U-turn, don't take a 360-degree turn, don't abandon what you're doing. Because when you do a training, there is a personal bias or a personal opinion or a personal belief in this. I have today tried to keep my personal opinions and biases to the minimum and bring you the current science of 2021 as it applies to nutrition and as it applies to Herbalife. So are you ready with your notes? Because this is a good training to take notes on. You can reflect back on what you heard. What you don't understand, Rajuji will illuminate you on that, and you will feel better. Now I want to roughly run my story 5 minutes. Lovelina covered it in detail, and she's far better a storyteller than I am. She's enthusiastic, she's great, and she's passionate about anything she does, whether it is Gynae, whether it is Herbalife, whether it's Fit Club. So our story, actually, our story is simple. So far, we want you to understand our past is your future. What we have gone through is what you will go through. So when you look at a story, whether it is mine or Rajuji's or somebody else's who has been in business longer than you, just imagine that one fine day, this is what you are sharing yourself as well. So this is our sponsor, Maylee Holloway. She's a chairman club member, and she has been Herbalife for over almost ever since it started. And this year she won the Humanitarian of the Year award, and she's a very gracious, very well informed, and most importantly, very ethical Herbalife distributor, and she's proud to wear the button. This is in her office in Dallas, Texas, where we were when we went to the US last for our press team summit. I started as a customer, 30 kgs overweight. I have lost weight. I feel better. I feel younger. The only thing is my hair has turned gray and my beard is now full rather than in this photograph. Otherwise, I can tell you with absolute uncertainty and undiluted passion that I feel on top of this world. I don't feel my age, because when I look at other people of my age, including my own classmates from medical college, Lovelina looks their daughter and I look their younger brother. So Herbalife makes a terrific, terrific difference to your health. Please be assured. I don't know whether you can do this or not, but Herbalife in the first 3 months of us joining paid us a sum of 42,000, 1,10,000, 2 lakhs. This 2 lakh check in the third month taught us one important lesson. Sometimes in your own profession, it takes you 15, 20 years to get 2 lakh rupees per month. But Herbalife can do that in 90 days if you stick to a plan, if you're willing to follow your sponsor, if you're willing to do what is taught, and then it is home run. Today we are thankful to God for an opportunity to drive world-class cars. We have absolutely beautiful nutrition club and a fit club. And interestingly, the first meeting in this club was done by Rajuji and Cynthia ji way back when we started 11, 12 years back. And next day, John Tattle did a training here, our chairman club, upline. So basically, this office has been inaugurated by Cynthia ji and Rajuji, and It has been extremely nice to us so far. I put an empty picture for a reason, for you to show a three-dimensional view, because it looks very beautiful and soothing. Majority of the people who come here, their first comment is their vibes are very positive, and Herbalife is about creating a positive vibe around you wherever you go. So when you enter, you see this almirah which has autographed stuff from Virat Kohli, MC Mary Kom, Sania Nehwal, from our ex-CEOs. And if you look at the lowest most button box, you will find the original can of Herbalife canister, which was gifted to us in Rajkot by, very generously by the way, by our current president Vimal Harma and his wife. And this is the original box of Herbalife when it started under Mark Hughes. Thanks to Herbalife, we have traveled quite a lot of world. Of course, there are a lot of places left to see. But if we were not in Herbalife, we wouldn't have gone to all these places. That much I can tell you. We have been to so many places many times over. And so we are grateful to Herbalife for the opportunity to become better every single day, as you will be as you progress in the Herbalife business. This is us outside the old Herbalife office. It was 18th century, 1800s Century Boulevard, and Lovelina is sitting in Mark Hughes' chair. Mark Hughes had passed away by the time we reached. We could not see him, meet him, or get trained by him, but the staff was generous enough to take around the whole office. They let us sit in Mark Hughes' chair. They let us sit in his office. They were very gracious. And so Herbalife has sent us around the world. You see the stupa in Kathmandu. You see us take a personal massage outside JW Marriott Phuket. You see us outside the Colosseum in Rome, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world, wearing button all the time. Herbalife, when we became Mill Team, put us in what is called the S&P, and Rajuji is now in the Indian S&P, we call it ISG now, and say they hired a plane to take us around the Mount Everest. Today, if you're a brand new person in this business, becoming a president is tough. It is tough, but it's not impossible, because when you go around the Mount Everest in a plane, it seems so easy. You can touch it just by putting your hand out of the window theoretically. So please understand, you have to look at Herbalife as climbing Mount Everest. It is not easy. It is absolutely doable, and anyone and every one of you can get to where you want to with Herbalife because of the trainings that you come to and keep on coming to. So this is Singapore on our first trip. CNN was started by a gentleman called Ted Turner. When he started the idea, he was said, this will never work. They jokingly called it chicken noodle network. Today, the world's largest television network is known as CNN. Had Ted Turner listened to the people around him, he would have never done it. So today, when you talk to somebody about Herbalife, they might snigger at you, laugh at you and say, oh, this is okay for Rajuji. He was a Central Services officer. Dr. Nadir is a doctor, he can do it. Lovelina is a gynecologist, he can do it, but you're a housewife, how can you do it? Please don't listen to such people. In this photograph, you see our first 2 distributors, Dr. Sanjay Chaure and Ramani and Anil Sood. 21 years down the line, they are still with us. So you just don't know. And by the way, both of them are extremely, extremely successful in their own business. Dr. Sood is among the leading veterinary surgeons in India. He is among the top 5. As another veterinary surgeon told me. So please understand, what starts together can stay together if you have mutual respect, mutual care, and you worry about each other. So this is Chichen Itza, which is in Mexico, Cancun. This is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. This is Petronas Tower with our family, 2 daughters, Nupur and Nishna, both grown-up women now, married to wonderful people. And we are very proud of having a very good family because of our children. They bring great delight to us. So Herbalife offers you an opportunity to take your children along with you on the vacations or on the trainings when you go so. So this is Paris. Champs-Élysées, which you see behind the gate behind Lovelina and me, is among the most expensive, well-known shopping streets in the world. So ladies on the call, you should be happy that this is Champs-Élysées. It's something for you. And this is the Scientific and Medical Advisory Board of Herbalife. You see Cynthia ji and Raju ji, we are standing behind them, adjacent to them, Lovelina and me, because to us they represent great leadership. And these are the doctors from the Medical Advisory Board at the nearest facility that Herbalife has set up, which is 14 football fields big, in Salem, North Carolina. Herbalife has been generous to us. They took us on vacation to Trivandrum. They took us on vacation to Jodhpur. They took us on vacation Superstar Cruise Virgo. They have sent us to Maldives in 2011, which is the first time we went to Maldives 10 years back. We have been to Hilton Waikola Village, which is among the top 10 destinations in the world to see before you die. And this is Dubai with our elder daughter. And what you see behind Nupur and Lavlina are the gold poles of Al Burj Hotel. These are actually gold painted. This hotel has used 2 tons of gold to paint the pillars and whatever. So sometimes people do exotic things in Dubai. And this is Hong Kong vacation where Lavlina went. Mahatma Gandhi is the Madame Tussauds Museum. This is with our younger daughter in James Bond Island year before last. And this is with Cynthia ji and Raju ji at Muscat. Lavlina had gone, all vacations. So the interesting thing is you develop bonds, you develop friendship, you develop mutual respect, and you develop trainers with you who teach you the skills to become successful. This is Turkey. Turkey is a unique country. Half of it is in Europe, half of it is in Asia. This is the Straits of Bosphorus that divides the 2 parts of Turkey, modern European Turkey and old Asian Turkey. Herbalife gives you opportunity to have private vacations. So we took our daughters, our son-in-laws, and my brother-in-law and his children from the US to a 3-week trip in Kenya, and it was out of this world. You see, animals are live, open, and we are in jeeps, and they're very friendly. So you can see a lion kill a tiger, lioness kill a what is called a mass migration animal there, and sit under the jeep relaxing after a great meal. You can see hippos, and there is fantastic things to see. And we have, just like I told you last week, come back from a really truly fabulous vacation in Maldives, very relaxing. You can actually sit in the pool like I am sitting, and for 2 hours silence. No other human being you see, no other human voice you see. All it is warmth of the sun and rustling of wind as it blows by. So this is fantastic. This is a great opportunity, and I like to thank Rajuji and Cynthia ji again for taking us with them. When you become president teams, you get recognition. They tell you 5 minutes, 2 minutes, but we took 13 minutes, I know, to thank everybody. We had so many people to thank for in 13 years of reaching president team. Interestingly, many of you have been in Herbalife for some time and you feel it's going to be tough. But believe me, there are people who have been Herbalife with me for 21 years and are still build teams. But it is still worth it because they make 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 9 lakhs per month. What other occupation can give? So forget the pin. Focus on how you can generate financial freedom for yourself and your family. When you become president teams, Herbalife invites you to the US. So this is John Heiss and Steve Henning welcoming us into one of the most expensive hotels in the world on the so-called Rich Man Street in Hollywood. And you meet with MOJ, who was then the head, now John Agnobi, of course, David Heber, Luis Ignaro, MOJ raising our story of what we did in Herbalife since we joined. And then you put a steel plate, which is there forever on the Herbalife Wall of Fame. We were lucky to qualify for this 1 million volume point achievement, which represents personal retail for people. So we are thankful to our consumers for trusting us. You have opportunity to meet superstars like Sania Nehwal, Virat Kohli, MC Mary Kom. You have opportunity to develop as a person. And I will today finish with 5-7 slides on personality development, because it doesn't matter how much money you make. If you don't grow to your income will fall, Jim Rohn used to say. And this is Jim Rohn. We took this photograph and then we got him personally autographed from him later on. Robin Sharma says, the society is not interested in your growth. When you're a kid, they encourage you to walk. When you start walking, they say don't walk. So you have to carve your own path. Lavlina and I, besides being doctors and Herbalife president teams, are also authors of 2 books on physical education for CBSE 11th and 12th. By God's grace, these books have done well, and 3rd edition is already out. Hopefully the 4th edition will come out now. And Lavlina was the person who with Dia Mirza and Ajay Khanna launched the Women's Choice. And you must have seen this video and the launch yourself in the India Spectacular. This is our story so far. And for many of you, this is your future. So take your future with Herbalife seriously. But understand, the success of Herbalife is not Rajuji's outstanding commitment to hard work and his intelligence. It is not my wanting to become president team. It is the products. And we today live in world where wellness is the future. So this is time to start taking notes, understand what wellness means. Wellness is the process of learning about and engaging in behaviors to create optimal health. Please understand, we are not saying perfect health. We are not saying the most brilliant health. We are saying optimal health, because each of us, the optimum is different. So when you are in optimal health, you have to not only reach there, but keep there. So reaching there is part one of the process. Keeping there is part two of the process. You have to have a fit mind, a fit spirit, a fit body. Then only will you be considered well. And which is why I wanted you to read this slide and understand it, because different people have different concepts of what makes them feel well. People who have no disease, 94% of them think they are well. If you are mentally stable, your emotions are good, 91% people think they have arrived. If people look good, I am not saying about feeling good, look good, 91%, 87% people are happy. And if people make enough money, 82% people are happy. But Herbalife offers an answer to all four of these problems. With our products, your physical health improves. With our products, your mental and emotional health improves. You look and feel great. And if you're a part of the business opportunity, which is not necessary, your financial health will for sure improve, even if it improves slower than you think it should. Now, science sometimes is old. The health, as we understand it, and we are not health coaches, we are wellness coaches, it has not been changed since 1948. This definition comes many years before even I was born, and most people think I am old. So a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being is what health was defined in 1948. I am sure none of you was born then. It has not been changed since then. But we know it's a multifactorial thing. We know if you are happy, if you can sleep well, if you drink enough water, if you take good diet and exercise, you will be healthy. So health is not a single parameter that you can focus on. Many people are under the impression that just because they use Herbalife products, they will be healthy. That is not true. You have to combine adequate sleep. You have to consciously drink more water. You have to consciously exercise in addition to using the good diet that we offer. And once you do all that, probably you will be happy and healthy. So look at people who are sleepy, drowsy, don't have good concentration. Can you classify them as sick? The answer is no. But can you really call them healthy? Again, the answer is no. Why would anybody at 6:30, quarter to 7 in the evening feel sleepy, tired, drowsy, and concentration is not up to the mark? Is because they are not well. So you have always understood this concept of 20% exercise, 80% diet contributing to wellness. Today we will focus on the 80% diet, and one fine day, God willing, we will talk about the 20% exercise also in scientific fashion. But today let us focus on the 80% diet, because please understand, good nutrition leads to wellness, poor nutrition leads to sickness. There is direct correlation of what you eat, how you behave, how you think, how you feel, and how you react. So we can never ever undermine the role of good nutrition. Now, what does nutrition impact? What does it affect? It impacts our behavior. For example, if any one of you have a toothache, will you be happy attending this training? I guess not. The decision to attend this training is an option. You don't have to attend this training, but you decided because you felt the energy and the strength to listen to me for 90 minutes. When you got up in the morning today, were you vital? Is your growth optimum? In this training, are you going to learn as much as you can and tomorrow perform as well? Now you might live to 100 years, but if it is 100 years, what is the point of staying alive? We want everybody to have a long, healthy, well life. And fertility, of course, nowadays kids have challenges having more kids because they are not fertile enough. So nutrition and diet affects every aspect of human life. More nutrition is required by whom? people who are in stressful jobs. By the way, I have never had a job, so I think all jobs are stressful. Working environments are unhealthy. Pardon my mistake. There is a spelling mistake on environment. I will correct it. Unhealthy work environment is because sometimes you don't get on with the co-worker. Sometimes you don't get on with other people. If you don't smoke, somebody else blows the smoke in your mouth. Alcohol now is a socially acceptable relaxation. We encourage you to become athletes by doing the fit club. All of you will live to 100 and become elderly. 50% of us will be women who will be pregnant, hopefully, and lactating. And a lot of us will have bad health. So our needs are more than average. So if you are thinking that average nutrition will help you, you are mistaken. You need better, more powerful nutrition. Now you have to take steps to feel well. It is not an automatic process. For example, it is easy to say, be well, do well. The Indian traditional blessing is, may you have a long life. But actually what we should be telling people is, may you have a long, healthy, disease-free, drug-free life. You have to worry about physical, spiritual, social, financial, occupational, environmental, and emotional well-being. And all of these parameters, sooner or later, you will have to cover. Today, we will cover some of it. God willing, sometimes we will cover other of it. The challenges you and I face today are this, and I suggest you write it down. You have to eat less than most people eat, but eat enough. You have to drink enough water so you are hydrated. Without supplementation, you can never ever, please write it down. Without supplementation, you can never ever get adequate nutrition in modern diets. We have to eat whole foods, unprocessed, uncooked, uncut. We have to limit the sugar intake. By the way, by sugar, I don't mean the sugar in tea. I mean carbohydrates, which are simple carbohydrates. And all of us need to stay active. Many of you will have challenges in 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of these 6 things. So if you understand what you have to do, then you can probably take action and end up doing it. So how much less should you eat? When we started Herbalife, we were told cut back 500 kilocalories. And we thought it should be eating 500 kilocalorie food less. Today, please write down, burn more, cut back less. Only 40% dietary restriction is enough if you are going to burn 60% with exercise. Encourage all your customers to be mobile, exercise, walk up the stairs, open the door, open the fridge, go themselves to drink water, not use remotes. So we have to eat enough. And how much is enough? Hopefully I can tell you in terms of calories as I go along. But in a weight loss principle, right, the first principle is cut back 500 kilocalories from the desirable calories of his current weight. The challenge is most people are already not eating enough. So when you do a basal metabolic test, BMR or RMR on the Carrara scan, you find 1300, 1400, 1500. They are the people who need to eat more, not less. So don't think Herbalife or nutrition or health management, fat management is about cutting back. It is about making it right. If it is too little, increase it. If it is too much, cut it back. How much water do we need? You have heard dozens and hundreds and thousands of times, for every 20 kilogram, drink 1 liter of water. This is not correct. The correct thing is drink 1 liter of water for every 20 kilogram of weight plus the sweat factor. Because as you move, as you exercise, you dehydrate by sweating. So if you are going to just drink 3 liters of water because you are 60 kilograms, you will actually be dehydrated. You also need to add 1.5 to 2 liters of water because you are going to lose that in sweating, which may not be pouring down your face, but your skin is supple because of the insensible sweating. So please understand, every one of you on the call, 5 liters minimum, 6 liters great, 7 liters brilliant. Go and drink more water. Now, you ask any doctor, any grandmother, any layman, what should we do to stay healthy? They will say, eat organic food, breathe in fresh air and drink clean water. Now, where is this available? So yes, on paper, you should have organic food, you should have fresh air, and you should drink clean water and use clean water. Now, air is not in my control. I stay in Delhi, which is the most polluted city in the world. What can I do about the air? If I go to look for organic food, in India, there is no organic food certification body yet, and it is 3 to 5 times more expensive than regular food. I might drink clean water out of the bottle, but when I brush my teeth, it is with the MCD water. When I have a bath, it is with the tap water. When I wash clothes, it's with the tap water. When I eat food, it is on plates that have been cleaned with the regular water. So where clean water is impacted? Only in drinking. Average person drinks 2 liters, uses 200 liters. What about the rest of 198 liters? So this seems more like a utopian concept, which is imaginary, that we can have organic food, fresh air and clean water. I think it is not a practical idea. It is possible, but not practical. So you have to do something which is different. And I am telling you, we don't get enough of these. Sometimes you are consciously eating, I will have protein and I will have fat and I will have carbohydrate. But is the ratio correct? If you are getting nutrients in the wrong proportion, it is not a really good idea. On top of that, we expect our wives and daughters to be professionals. So they have no time to cook food. They eat off the cuff. While the meal size has increased, the meal quality has decreased. And previously, we had to go out to collect wood. We had to get water from outside. We had to go to out of our home for toilets. That is finished. Now everything inside the home. So lifestyles have become inactive. Also, you people might worry about calorie. I want you to take your focus off two things. First, take your focus off weight. How much a person weighs, it's not evaluable. Second, how many calories he or she is eating. Don't worry about the calorie content. Worry about the source of the calorie. Because theoretically speaking, 1200 calories is 1200 calories. But in practice, if it comes from ice cream, it has a different effect on the body if it comes from broccoli or band gobi or full gobi. So when you look at calories and you counsel your patients or you yourself counsel yourself, don't think about calorie, think about the source of the calorie. Look what happens. What they show you, we will serve on the radio, television, and what they actually do is different. Because sure, they show you less, but they serve you more. Now, the food costs have not gone up, but food sizes have gone up. So this is burger, of course, and French fries. Maybe you eat it, maybe you don't. But this is a readily available data. For Indian food, such a data is not available, which is why I'm forced to use Western data. But please understand, a burger has gone up in the last 50 years from 3.7 ounce to 9.2 ounces. And French fries have gone from 2.4 ounces to over 6 ounces. The food size has increased. The costs have not gone up substantially. Government of India also has what is called a food plate. This is what Indians are supposed to eat. Just look at it for a minute and wonder whether you yourselves are eating this or not. More than 50, actually 57% of your food should be dairy, protein, fruit, and vegetables. You should not be eating more than 43% grains. But I see my plate, other Indians' plate, it is all rice and roti and idli and sambar. Oh, sorry, idli and dosa and pesarattu, and not enough greens, not enough proteins, not enough fruits. You are looking at my screen background. This is our home garden. And this is so lush green. But every time I sit there, I feel guilty because I know most of us, including me, are not eating enough greens. So please understand, you have to consciously eat more fruit raw, uncooked, unprocessed, not juice. You have to consciously eat raw fruits and vegetables. You have to consciously increase the consumption of protein in your diet, because the government of India and the medical authorities in India say this is what our plate is supposed to look like. Now we have a problem. Our fat cells are bigger than that of Europeans. So because they are bigger size, they have more fat, they store more fat, and it is a problem. And today I will share something about fat with you that you might find interesting. If you are overweight and obese, you have distinct risks of getting 13 cancers. So Obesity causes lifestyle disorders like diabetes, hypertension, cancer, and thyroid disorders. But look at women especially. The breast cancer and the uterus cancer is directly linked in women to the wrong body composition, too much fat, not enough muscle. 80% of heart disease in women is preventable. 70% of type 2 diabetes is preventable. Nutrition density has gone down by 38% in crops, while as the fast food sales have gone up 2000%. 2000%. Imagine what your children will be eating. Only fast food, no slow food. Please understand, our health scenario is bad. This is the reason why you should focus on educating people. These slides are designed to tell you what to tell your customers if you have any. When you think of supplements, people say, oh, he is trying to sell something. They are trying to make money off me, but that is not true. Of course, we will make money when somebody buys a supplement, but we are not selling a supplement because we want the money. We are selling a supplement because they need it. Look at what happens to diabetes, coronary heart disease, heart attack, heart failure, and stroke. Red is non-users and blue is dietary supplement users. In every single disease, people who use dietary supplements have less risk. Every single disease. And India is the diabetes capital of the world. India is the heart disease capital of the world. So heart attack, congestive failure, and stroke are commonest worldwide in India. You live in a country where all of these data is totally relevant. When we talk of supplementation, we think it is a fad. But Dr. Walter Willett, who is chairman of nutrition at Harvard Medical School, said dietary supplements should be included as a part of healthy diet. We have to desperately supplement vitamins and minerals in our diet because there is not even one scientific study that proves we can get adequate vitamins and minerals from food. WHO in 2000 said supplement diets world over. It is not supplement diets in India. India is obviously worse off because of multiple challenges. I am actually honestly very proud to be an Indian. We have such fantastic people and fantastic systems, but there are some things we can improve for sure. We can improve the food that we eat. Our agriculture is unfortunately not up to the mark when it comes to vitamins and minerals. Now you hear this and I want you to understand the difference. One is what is called recommended dietary allowance, RDA, and the second is called optimum nutrition. I will explain this to you in simple terms. If your child goes to take an exam, if he gets 40 marks out of 100, he will be promoted to the next class. But do you want him to get 40 or 100? If he is getting 40 marks, he is getting the recommended daily allowance. If he is getting 100 marks, he is getting optimum nutrition. When you think of yourself, do you want your body to have just bare passing nutrition, or you want your body to be the most well-nourished organism there is? So don't be mistaking and talking about just RDA. Think of optimum nutrition. Think of nutrition in the highest possible phase. As an orthopedic surgeon, I see a lot of patients, many of whom look at reports and say, oh, my B complex and D is in range. Of course it is the range, but it is in the lowest part of the range. Why would you want a 200 B complex when it should be 1000? Why would you want 30 vitamin D when it should be 250? So we are willing to accept shortcomings. It is my request to all of you on this call, the 547 people, that don't be satisfied with the least. Aim for the highest. Don't worry about RDA. Think of optimum nutrition. Why? Because in vitamin E, and this is a product that we have in our Herbalife line, the RDA is 10 to 30 international unit. But science says if you want good health, take 400 international units. 10 is enough to prevent disease. 400 is required for good health. Do you want to use Herbalife or sell Herbalife for preventing disease or for creating a result where the person says, thank God, I have never felt or behaved better in my life so far? Look at vitamin C. Vitamin C is the first recorded deficiency disorder, and it's very interesting that the history of supplementation starts with vitamin C. Captain Cook way back in 16th century discovered that his soldiers had bleeding from gums because they were not getting fresh lemon juice. Just by drinking nimbu pani, their bleeding stopped because they were getting 60 milligram or less of vitamin C. But science today says you need 2 grams. Linus Pauling Institute recommends 4 grams per day. Imagine 60 milligram and 2000 or 4000 milligram. So do you want your children, your family, your customers to get 60 milligram or 2000 milligram? You decide. You are intelligent people on this call, you are educated, your performers, your leaders, and one fine day you will be president teams. Please understand, aim for the optimum allowance, not the RDA. You don't want passing marks, you want to top the course. Japan is a fastidious country. They measure vitamin C in palak every year. See this data. In 1950, 100 grams of palak had 150 milligram of vitamin C. In 2010, it was 3 milligram. The amount of vitamin C in palak in 60 years fell 50 times. Imagine what it must be in 2021 and what is going to be in 2025. So when you talk to customers about supplementation, give them a background that vitamins and minerals are getting scarce in our fruits and vegetables because of alternative cropping practices. All data, this comes from Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2004. You just see vitamin B12 has come down 50% in 50 years. Vitamin C has fallen, calcium, iron, protein, everything is falling. Yet your stress is going up. You live in modern times where competition is more. You need better nutrition and you are getting less nutrition. So the gap between what you get and what you need is getting wider and wider every single day. Why would you not supplement? Tell me that. Why would you not supplement? An apple a day, keep the doctor away. Not me. I am here, of course. In 1985, 1 apple. In 2025 apples. Apples have lost their strength. Now 1 apple cannot keep me away. You have to have 5 apples every day to keep a doctor away. So quality of food is falling. Need for supplementation is growing up. So whenever you advise a supplement to yourself, your family member or your customer, please understand it is for their benefit. Of course you will make money. Of course it will benefit you financially. But 2000 rupees might not make a difference to you. But 2 kg fat loss will make tremendous difference to the consumer of your product. This business is designed to help the consumer more than the seller. That is what you must understand when you look at it. You need to learn how to customize weight management. All 80 kg people are not the same. Women less than more than 80 and men over 100 kgs need a different treatment than men under 100 and women under 80. Postmenopausal women need to be treated differently than 20-year-old 80 kg girl. You have to increase opportunities for them to change their lifestyle bit by bit. Don't encourage rapid changes. When you do a diet analysis on a chart, I don't know whether you have a chart. I will show you mine. We do this every day, including today. When you look at, sorry, can you see it? No, you can't. Maybe the screen is not letting you see it, but there is a column for diet here, which says diet evaluation. We do it every day for our customers because we want to encourage them to know that they don't have enough protein, they don't have enough vitamin, they don't have enough good fat. They are having too much simple carbohydrate. Every single day, every one of you is exposed to toxins in air, water, and food. You need to get rid of them. And in current times, immunity is the buzzword for health. So you need to boost your immunity. I wanted to talk about it, but I think it's not relevant. So please understand, whether you're a plant, you need nutrition. Whether you're a human being, you need nutrition. Plants suffer from nutrition deficiency and fade or become diseased. Why wouldn't we? So when a plant needs nutrition, a dog and a cat needs nutrition, so do you and I. For practical purpose, think of nutrition in 2 parts. What you need by the gram and what you need by the thousandth of a gram. What you need by the gram is called macronutrient. What you need in small quantities is called micronutrient. Many of you might be, most of you must be new on this call. We have covered this earlier. I am sure Lavlina did this, but it's always better to keep on repetition because repetition is the mother of success. So macronutrients are just 3. So please understand, write down, calories come only from macronutrients. Micronutrients have no calories. So all the calories in your food have to come from carbohydrate or protein or fat. These are the only three sources of calories in your food, energy in your food. You need them. So all three are equally important in the right ratio. I will just tell you what is the right ratio. So look at protein, for example. Two reasons. One, protein is the most important component of the human body. This is the structure of protein that you see, these coils, coils, coils. After water, it is the most plentiful substance in the body. Fat protein is the standard protein. And every cell in human body, whether it is your hair, whether it is your brain, whether it's your kidney, has protein. And without protein, there is no life. And guess what we sell most often is a protein. So protein is most important, but proteins are not the same. I suggest, this is slightly technical maybe, but if you write it down, it will serve you well, because tomorrow you will deal with a customer who is well educated, who has science background, and will ask you all this. So we are about 23 amino acids, which are small structures that make up protein. But protein is complete and incomplete. So complete protein is which has all the 9 essential amino acids. Unfortunately, barring soya protein isolate, only animal proteins are complete. Incomplete proteins don't have all the essential amino acids, and they come from milk and milk products and other things. So if you're a vegetarian on this call, you are mostly getting incomplete protein. And if you're a non-vegetarian, you are likely to get complete protein. Complete protein comes from dairy products, egg, meat, poultry, seafood, and soy. All the 9 essential amino acids. Now read this slide and see how much of it you eat. I don't know how many of you have ever used quinoa, chia, amaranth, pumpkin seed. Of course, poultry, egg, fish, meats we use sometimes. Hemp seeds we don't use. So on books, it is easy to get complete protein. In practice, it may not be so easy, because if you are not going to eat any of this, where are you going to get complete protein? When you look at incomplete protein, yes, you get it. You get a couple of proteins from roti, from chawal, from sabzi, from dal, mungfali, gehu, chawal. But incomplete proteins were made complete by our grandparents by combining. So in North India, rajma used to be eaten with chawal, or chole used to be eaten with chawal. They were complementary proteins. So some amino acids came from rice, some came from dal, and they merged together to form a complete meal. But as we grow more and more fond of fast food, the concept of complete proteins, especially complete plant proteins, is getting lost. So protein is important for many reasons, including this is the most important macronutrient. It is important to build and preserve muscle. It ensures that the fat loss is the primary reason why people lose weight. And when you have protein-rich diet, your appetite doesn't fall, but your satiety stays for longer. You feel fuller, happier, and not hungry for longer time if your food is protein-rich. So if you were to summarize protein, you go from 3 kgs at birth to 300 kgs sometimes because of protein. Your immunity to fight disease is based on hormones that are all protein. Your skin and hair is 25% protein. Body damages itself every day. When we sleep, it repairs itself. It needs protein. When you want a good looking Salman Khan type of body, you need great muscles. They come from protein. And every hormone in the human body, male hormone, female hormone, insulin, you name a hormone that you know, is protein. So if there is no protein in diet or inadequate protein, not only do you have bad skin and bad hair, your hormonal service is bad, your immunity is low, your repair quality is low, your growth and muscle development is poor. So you need, for everything, protein. And when you do a retail presentation, please inform your customers that baal se leke khal tak sab protein hai. If you don't have enough protein in your diet, you're not going to get good quality and product. Carbohydrate, all of you understand and eat because they are the fuels, they are the energy sources. The good carbohydrates are as God made them. The bad carbohydrates are what we make them in the kitchen by cooking, heating, boiling, steaming, microwaving, whatever we do. So tend to eat 50% of your food raw. It is recommended that every human being should take 50% of carbohydrate in the form of raw fruits, raw vegetables, raw salads, whatever raw. Only 50% should be cooked, processed, fried, or whatever you do. For you, you should divide carbohydrate into simple, complex, and fiber. Simple is the result of cooking. Complex is natural form carbohydrate. And fiber is partially digestible, partially indigestible portion of the carbohydrate that stays in our intestine mostly. Third macronutrient, and probably the most misunderstood, but the most important macronutrient, is fat. Now, when it comes to people, their first reflex is we are fat, so we are not going to eat fat. This is not correct. It is unscientific and illogical, because the fat has a distinct role in our diet. The most important being it will carry vitamin A, D, E, K. It is source of energy. It is source of metabolism. So fat is very, very important in our diet. And please understand, if you are not going to be eating adequate fat, you will suffer from deficiencies of vitamin A, D, E, K. First three, A, D, E, are immunity boosters. And if you don't have good vitamin A, your vision is bad. If you don't have good vitamin D, your bones are bad. If you don't have vitamin E, your immunity and reproductive system are bad. And vitamin K is, of course, responsible for helping blood to clot. So please understand, fat is important in diet. Now, so far, this training seems to be more like a professorial talk on medicine, which unfortunately it is, because if you don't understand the science of Herbalife, what use is selling boxes? You don't need to sell boxes if you understand yourself why it is important. So I wanted you to look at a few things that refer to fat, so you understand why fat loss is so tough, why sometimes our customers are disappointed, why sometimes our customers are questioned and we cannot ever answer them. So the first thing you must understand is our body stores fat, not because you decide where it goes, but our genes and our gender decide. So male develop fat around the stomach, females develop in hips, bottoms, and thighs. So that's why I said it is GENES, not genes. So wearing tight jeans will not help you lose fat. It is genetic and predetermined by God. Second thing, every organ in the body stores fat except three. First, brain doesn't store any fat. Second, our eyelids don't store any fat. And the censored portion refers to the male organ. It doesn't store any fat. Rest, the fat can be stored anywhere in the human body. All over the body, there are fat cells, and it's a good thing too. So all body people need fat to live. We have about 100,000 calories of body fat stored in an average human being. 100,000 kilocalories are stored in human body. Now, what happens to fat gain? Please understand, people say, oh, when I got married, I was at an ideal weight. Then I got whatever, pregnant or successful in business. And then I started gradually gaining weight. But I think all the weight I have gained is in the last 1 year or so. But that is not true. On an average, people gain 1 to 2 grams of fat every day, which is 1 to 2 pounds, which is not even a kilogram per year. But if you extrapolate it to 15 years, it is 15 kg fat gain. So please understand, most people gain only 1 to 2 grams of fat per day, but they do it day after day after day, and then you find the cumulative result. Also understand, there are 8 billion human beings on this earth. We have 50 billion fat cells. So every one of you has 7 times the number of fat cells that human beings in this earth. So you have 50 billion fat cells. The challenge with that, of course, women understand this. Breast is one organ which is almost all fat. The second organ that is high fat is brain. Patients, customers, distributors ask, okay, so where will I lose fat from? The scientific answer is we don't know. We cannot tell you you will lose from belly or from chin or from your hips or from your breasts. There is no spot reduction of fat that occurs. You cannot target fat loss. So when you talk to a customer, the true answer is, I don't know where you will lose fat from, but you will lose fat. The principle is the fat which has been recently deposited will go first, and the fat which has been deposited long back will go last. So in fat, the principle is last in, first out. In most places, it is first in, first out, but in fact, it is last in, first out. Please understand, it is difficult to lose fat with exercise. 1 pound of fat is 3,500 calories. 1 kg is 7 to 8,000 kilocalories. How can you lose that? By walking 9 hours, by running 33 miles. Imagine your customer running 66 miles to lose 1 kg. So yes, doctor say exercise karo, grandmother says exercise karo, husbands tell their wife exercise karo, jabki khud nahi karte hain. It is easy for us to advise, but scientifically, it is virtually impossible to lose fat by exercise without dietary modification. You cannot swim for 6 hours and come back and have a large burger. It's not going to work. You just have to swim then and not have the burger. But human nature being that, so please write down, to lose 1 kg fat, you need to burn 7,000 calories to 8,000 calories depending on gender, age, and body morphology. Fat is the most calorie-rich nutrient we have. Fat has 9 calories per gram, alcohol has 7, protein has 4, carbohydrate has 4. So fat is the biggest source of calorie in human diet and human body. Now just read this. 4 million fat cells are just 1 gram, because they store only what, a millionth of a gram of fat. So इतनी छोटी सी फैट सेल कितना तंग करती है हमारी बिजनेस में हमको, हम लोग परेशान होते हैं. But 4 million fat cells are 1 gram in weight. They are so light. The number is huge, the weight is very little. Also, fat cells never die. Once you have fat, 10 years तक वही चर्बी चलती है. Brain cells die, skin cells die, hair falls, nails fall, joint cartilage erodes, but fat cells never die. They go on forever and ever and ever. So understand, it is not easy to lose fat. So when you counsel customer, advise patience. Unfortunately, many times we are in an urge to sell product, so we don't tell them the truth. The truth is, and write it down, on an average, a person will lose 10% of total body fat in 100 days. So if his total body fat is 30%, it will become 27% after 3 months. But we don't tell that. I know most of my distributors don't tell that. They are interested in a sale, so they say, "Arey lo, khatam ho jayega." I jokingly tell people that Herbalife is expensive. So when you listen to the rate, you will lose 1 kg weight. When you decide to buy, you will lose 1 kg more. The rest is proper usage of product. Please tell customers the truth. The truth is, and this is from Dr. David Eber, not from me, over 100 days, expect a 10% total body fat loss. This is the only result you must promise to a customer. अगर आप हमारा प्रोडक्ट हमारे तरीके से खाओगे तो 100 दिन के बाद आपके टोटल शरीर की चर्बी 10% कम होगी. आज 30 है, तब 27 हो जाएगी. Many people imagine that 30 will become 20. That is not true. 30 will become 27. So please clarify customers कि weight loss कैसे होता है. और बदकिस्मती से the fat cell can become 10 times its normal size. In adults, why we become fat is not because the number of cells goes up. We become fat because the size of cell goes from 1 gram to 10 gram. And once the size goes up, it goes up. In children, fat is dangerous, obesity, because in them the number of cells goes up. So pleomorphic obesity hoti hai. But in adults, it is polymorphic, where you have a fat cell increasing in size. So you can actually cause it to decrease in size. How fat is lost through air and urine, we will explain that some other time. Abhi aap imagine bas ye karo in your mind ki fat cells can become fatter and fat cells can become slimmer up to 10 times their weight. Now let's talk about the solution to all these problems. I hope the fat thing was not boring. It is different, it is new, and maybe now. Sir, sir, is somebody wanted to say something, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Did somebody want to say something, sir?
No, sir. Please go ahead. Please go
Okay.
ahead.
I hope it's not boring.
No, not at all, sir. Everybody very keenly writing.
Very good, sir. So let's talk about herbal and nutrition. And
I will make one announcement.
Yes, sir.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీరు కొంతమంది ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. కొంతమందికి ఇది ఇంగ్లీష్లో వస్తుంది. మీకు కావాలనుకుంటే తెలుగు అక్కడ మీరు ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ దగ్గర తెలుగు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, లేకపోతే ఇంగ్లీష్ వస్తుంది. సో మీకు ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ తెలుగు ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ ప్లీజ్ సెలెక్ట్ తెలుగు. ఓకే, సో హిందీ సరిగా రావట్లేదు. సో ప్లీజ్ చెక్ హిందీ ఇంటర్ప్రిటర్స్ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Otherwise, Telugu is good and English is good. Okay. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
So are there Hindi understanding people on the call? I can speak in Hindi.
Yes, sir.
By now they are impressed by my English. So let's go to Hindi if you want.
No, sir. Please go ahead. In English only. They are going to translate.
Sir, Hindi also available, sir.
Hindi is also available. It's
very good. Very good. Thank you very much for being so generous. So let's talk about the products. And please understand, some things I say today is different than what you are used to. Don't worry about it. It's an idiosyncrasy of mine, and Rajuji knows that I have strong opinions on everything I do and say, and so I am not going to upset the apple cart, but some things might be different. For example, when you look at human food, there are not enough nutrients in the food already. Second, we tend to cook everything and damage it even more. So my first encouragement to every one of you is, try eating raw, unprocessed, uncooked food. Whatever vegetable, fruit, plant you want to eat raw, put it in 45 minutes water, throw the water away. 95% of chemicals today in the market, insecticide, pesticides are water soluble, they will go away. Live with the 5% that are there. So start eating salads, fruits and vegetables. In fact, I saw Rajuji in action in Maldives. All he ate was salads, So a very good idea to emulate him. So, of course, we have raised questions. I have told you there are problems, but we also have solutions. And my suggestion to all of you is, be a solution provider, not a problem offerer. Of course, world is full of problems, but if there are no solutions, how will the problems go? We offer solutions. Understand this. You have read this, heard this chart so 100 times. All I want you to take from this chart, global nutrition philosophy, is this. Every day, every human being needs 1 gram of fat, 2 grams of protein and 3 grams of carbohydrate per kilogram body weight. So this is scientific. I can explain this in a further training. It will take time today, but I don't want to go into this. Just imagine all of you need to do 1, 2, 3, 1 gram of fat, 2 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrate. And I can promise you this is the most scientific method of eating food. That is why we have hundreds and thousands of testimonies and results world over. By following this philosophy, Dr. David Heber taught us 7 years back. This has been in market since 1974 as what is called the zone diet 30-30-40. And it is probably the middle line for macronutrient recommendations by the American Council of Nutrition. So this is a perfectly scientific, logical thing, 30-30-40. And if you read the new product information guide, Rajuji has it, he can send it to you. It also talks about 30-30-40. Also, many of you have been on product for some time, but you are not happy with their result. Don't worry. Don't worry. None of us is in perfect shape or health. None of us is perfect. So it doesn't matter where your health status is today. Tomorrow will be better than today and day after will be better than tomorrow. There is continuous hope for all of us. So you will enjoy life if you shake hands with Herbalife and feel better. So the global nutrition philosophy talks about 30-30-40. I explained to you that you need this. If you are a 70 kg person, you need 150 grams of protein, 70 grams of fat, 210 grams of carbohydrate. So 1, 2, 3. Just focus on telling every consumer that they need to eat adequate good fat, adequate good protein and adequate good carbohydrate. Complex, you can read in red, says it means 50% of carbohydrates we eat should be raw in form of salads and fresh fruits and complex things, uncooked or lightly cooked. Immunity boost karne ke liye bahut sare tarike hain. We will not go into that. Let us talk about the products, because for ease of understanding in our minds, Lovelina and I talk to our customers also and think also of 2 things: core nutrition, which cannot be made available to us without supplementation, and targeted nutrition, which is selective. So I am going to train you on how I think, how I train my people. You follow whatever is being taught to you, don't change anything. Core nutrition is protein, vitamin, minerals, and omega-3. Write it down. None of you can ever get adequate protein, adequate vitamins, adequate minerals, and adequate omega-3 from diet unless you are staying in Alaska or Antarctica and eating raw fish like Eskimos, which you are not doing. In India, everybody needs to supplement protein, vitamin, mineral, and omega-3. And personally, Lovelina and I always add nitric oxide. Night works to the core nutrition. So let's talk about protein. You know everything about Formula 1, but there are 8 flavors now. And each flavor is the same, basically vanilla modified by other flavors. What you have to understand is 40% of meal replacement worldwide is formula number 1, according to Herbalife International. Also, we sold over 1.7 billion in 2019 servings. But what a Herbalife distributor should know when asked what is Formula 1, it is a nutrient-dense, calorie-controlled meal replacement. Just these 3 things, if you tell a customer, it is enough. Nutrient dense means it has more nutrition, weight for weight. Calorie control means we know exactly how many calories it has. And if you make it like we tell you in milk, it is a meal replacement according to science definition. So for Formula 1, as an average distributor, you should know nutrition dense, calorie controlled meal replacement. But if you have a little more interest, you should understand it is based on soya protein isolate. But our current formulation not only has milk solids, it has whey protein also. So it is containing milk. It is, of course, portion controlled. It has 19 vitamins and minerals. It is 90 calories for the shake and 46 calories for the PPP. Rest come from milk. And it is designed to help not immediate weight management, but long-term weight management. It is a part of ongoing weight management process, and weight management should be thought of as fat loss, muscle gain management. Now, when you ask, people tell you, oh, it is soya protein, so we will eat soya protein. Please understand, as a Herbalife distributor, there is difference in soya protein content. Soya oil has no protein. Soya milk has 4% protein, which cow's milk has. Tofu is the soya cheese, 8%, which cow's milk also has. Soya atta is 30%, soya concentrate 70%, and we make soya protein isolate products, which is 90% weight for weight protein. Now you have always been told PDCAS, PDCAS, PDCAS. Today, start thinking of a different term. Of course, PDCAS is important. It is protein digestibility corrected amino acid score, and one-on-one is perfect. But in 2013, Science and Food and Agriculture Organization replaced PDCAS with a term called DIAS, which is digestibility indispensable amino acid score. It actually measures how much of the protein you eat is at the end of small intestine available to absorb, because some gets destroyed in stomach, some gets destroyed in the rest of it. So just because you eat PDCAS 1 here doesn't mean the body gets full nutrition. And I want to show you a small chart which explains why I told you egg is the best protein, followed by milk and soya protein. Soya protein isolate has 100% absorption through the intestine. So it is PDCAS and DIAS score is 1. Egg is better absorbed and milk is better absorbed than its availability. But look at beef or meat and chickpeas, is dal and whole wheat. They all have partial absorption at the intestine. So if you eat 1 kilogram, you are not digesting 1 kilogram. On the other hand, if you eat soya protein isolate 1 kilogram, you are digesting 1 kilogram. So if you are interested in knowing modern terminology, think of DIAS score rather than just PDCAS score, DIAAS. Now, a lot of people in the last 20 years are worried about soy or thyroid correlation. I just want to tell you, there is no evidence that people who have hypothyroid should avoid soy completely. ये Mayo Clinic से आ रहा है. Of course, soy medication is taken on empty stomach, so it cannot be taken with iron or calcium or antacids. Similarly, you are eating it on empty stomach. So if you have a shake while you are hypothyroid, have the tablet at 6 o'clock, have the shake at 8 o'clock. Second, people worry about is soy has phytoestrogens. Will it make a female out of a male? The answer is no. I am quoting Susan Bowerman from Herbalife, but there are hundreds and thousands of studies that show that soya protein isolate does not cause males to become pregnant or develop breasts or have other women feature. It is just that soya protein isolate has phytoestrogens, and the good advantages of soya proestrogen, soft skin, better hair, better nails occur, sure, but they don't interfere with the reproductive or sexual function that phytoestrogens cause. So soya does not cause feminizing effect in men. Please tell it to your customers even before they ask. Now, shake is sweet. So a lot of people say, "Ara, मेरे को diabetes है, effect तो नहीं होगा." You have to explain to them that our soya protein shake has a low GI, which by the way is shared by basmati rice, by dals, by whole wheat bread, by oranges. They might be sweet, but they don't alter blood sugar.
शेक जो है ना लो जी शुगर पेशेंट भी खा सकता है.
Okay, carry on. There was some voice. Okay, so our shakes have a GI of, if somebody asks, 21 to 25 depending on the flavor. Anything lesser than 55 is a low GI. So yes, we have a sweet shake. It is based on sucralose, which is not absorbed by the human body. It is just a sweetener. And please don't tell people our products are 100% natural, because sucralose is an artificial product made in the lab. So when somebody asks me, are your products all natural? My answer is no, but they are predominantly natural. We have to add sucralose to sweeten it, and that is an artificial sweetener. We have to add some preservatives because India is a country where temperature is 4 in Kashmir and 47 in Kerala or Delhi. So please understand, we are not 100% natural, but we have the least possible required preservatives, chemicals, or whatever you want to call it. So our shake is sweet, but low GI. Now, as you grow older, the face shows it. I am an exception, of course. So you look at Al Pacino's face, you look at Obama's face. Why does it show aging? It is because the oxygen that we breathe causes wrinkles here, wrinkles under the eye, wrinkles in the neck. You look at an apple and it degenerates just by exposure to air. So air that keeps us breathing, oxygen that is required for life, is also damaging. This is called oxidative damage. What happens oxidative damage is you take adequate amounts of vitamin and adequate minerals. Some are water soluble, ADEK are fat soluble, rest are soluble in water. Now, when we look at this, it is complicated for a layman. So we tell them, okay, you can take antioxidant rich foods or supplements. People say, tell us foods. So I show them the foods. Now, how many of you can identify these antioxidant rich foods on the screen? Raju ji can, because we just had rambutan in Maldives. But imagine this. If you can't identify these fruits, where will you buy and eat them? By the way, we had rambutan and longan and melon and guava, and I think plum also sometime in Maldives. So these are just theoretical for most people. So what should a person do who wants proper antioxidant rich food and slowed aging? Is understand it comes from food, but it comes from food that we don't eat: salmon, tuna, mackerel. We don't eat broccoli enough, we don't eat spinach enough, we don't eat enough oysters, carrots, eggs, avocados. So what should we do? My suggestion, take a multivitamin tablet formula 2-3 times a day and get rid of the problems of solving ki ye food khaun ki nahi, isme hai ki nahi, wo sab sar dard. By the way, the products I am telling you are in order of importance. So I followed formula 1 with formula 2. So if a customer of mine chooses to use 2 products only, he is going to get formula 1 and multivitamin, no other combination. We don't follow ki formula 1 PPP fresh le lo phir baad mein dekhenge na. We have to do it scientifically, because we know for a fact that most of our customers take the whole cold nutrition, but we explain it to them, formula 1 followed by formula 2. And there must be some reason why Dr. David Heber and these geniuses call it formula 2. After formula 1, what should come? Formula 2. So all of you, whether you feel it or not, should be taking multivitamin 3 times a day, day after day after day, till you are alive. By the way, what does formula 2 do? It is like cement in sand on a plaster. You need adequate quantity of cement for the plaster to stick. The proteins that we eat are shaped and stuck to muscle by vitamin and mineral. This is a crude layman explanation for you to understand. Okay, scientific terms is different function. But just imagine if you are eating multivitamin and mineral, the protein is much better utilized in the muscle. So Indian diets lack protein. 98% of Indian diets don't have enough protein. 98%. And what do? You offer them diet. Tell them eat fish, egg, and majority will say, बाबा बाबा हम तो वेजिटेरियन है. तो वेजिटेरियन खाने में वर्चुअली प्रोटीन ना के बराबर है, क्योंकि बहुत थोड़ा है. 20 ग्राम, 4 ग्राम, 3 ग्राम, 150 ग्राम कहाँ मिलेगा? So do vegetarian foods have protein? Yes. Have they enough protein? No. Look at the 5 protein sources I picked for you. How many of you have even had quinoa? How many of you have actually had just soy, seitan, walnut, and amaranth? These are 5 alternative sources of protein, but we don't eat maybe one of them or not even one of them. I also wanted you to understand potato has protein. One large potato has 8 grams. For a 70 kg person, to get 140 grams of protein, he will need to eat about 20 potatoes in one day. Chia seeds, people are very fond of. 3 spoons have 9 grams. So how many spoons do you need to get to 140 grams if your normal weight at 70? God only knows, too much. So sure, plant has protein, but sure, plant doesn't have adequate protein. People are very fond of fashionable food like quinoa. Half cup of quinoa has just 4 grams of protein. 1 cup of quinoa has just 8 grams of protein. 1 egg has 7 grams of protein. So you have 1 big cup of quinoa or 1 egg. It is the same. So yes, it is fashionable for people to throw out, oh, I have quinoa for breakfast and I have flaxseed and I also eat spirulina. But I can assure you with scientific absolute authority, they are not adequate sources of protein. On theory, they have protein, but in practice, they don't have enough protein. This is why supplementation is here to stay. Because if you eat right amount of protein, you not only manage to control hunger, you develop healthier muscles. And which is why Dr. David Heber in his book, 10-12 years back wrote, 2 grams of protein per kilogram body weight of lean body muscle mass. So Herbalife combined whey, soya, and casein for a reason. Because if you have a product that has milk protein, it starts effect immediately but tapers off in 2 hours. On the other hand, soya goes up slowly, falls slowly. But if you blend it together, the rise is immediate, but the fall is slower. So if you see the orange line is a blend shake combination, which we have in Herbalife. So ours is probably a unique product in the Indian market, which combines the longevity of soya with the immediate effect of whey and casein. We have a PPP. It is simple product. You get only 46 calories. You get 10 grams of extra protein in 2 spoons. So the shake we advise to our customers, we serve in our nutrition club and we drink is 3 spoons of Formula 1, 2 spoons of PPP in 300 ml of full fat milk. We use Amul Gold. You don't have to do that. You follow whatever you're doing, but I just wanted to inform you what we do in practice. Omega-3 has a positive impact on everything from joints to prostate to skin to brain to height. And please understand, omega-3 is very, 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 very important for brain function. And omega-3 comes from things that you have read in books, occasionally seen, occasionally used, like flaxseed, navy beans, pecan, cold water salmon, winter squash, leafy green, kidney bean, cold pressed olive oil, walnuts. These are all good looking structures on book, but in practice we don't eat it. But if you follow what we follow and have our Herbalife omega-3, you will get 6 milligram of vitamin E and 300 milligram of EPA and DHA. Science recommends that every woman should take 4 of these a day. Men should take 6 of these a day. Our label suggests 1 twice daily. So if you want to follow the label, feel free to do so. If you want to follow the science, it doesn't matter what preparation of omega-3 you are eating, as long as you take 1.8 grams per day and females eat 1.2 grams. So if you're a female on the call, it is good idea for you to have 2 omega-3 after breakfast and 2 omega-3 after dinner after you talk to your sponsor and upline. We are ignoring the label here, but I can do that because of my confidence. Most people cannot advise you that. So if you're a male, just take 2 after breakfast, 2 after lunch, 2 after dinner. Please understand, Formula 2 and omega should always be had after food. Do not take it empty stomach. Take it after you have had the full shake Take it after you have had the full dinner shake if you are having a dinner shake, or whatever you have for dinner. By the way, cardiologists today recommend 4 grams of omega-3 per day if you want to improve your heart health. So 300 milligrams seems a trifle too little, 600 milligrams seems too little. Herbalife has launched a 600 milligram capsule called Herbalife Max in Europe. The rumor is, and Rajuji is in S&P, he knows whether we are going to get in India or not, but we need it for sure. And then we come to targeted nutrition, starting with what is the most important, the healthy heart. Of course, we have good for children, good for heart, good for bone, good for energy, good for women, and healthy snacks. So I'm going to rush through this and explain to you why Nitric Works is required. Write down the most effective dose of L-arginine is 8 to 10 grams per day. Rajuji, may I make some controversial statement? So Niteworks is recommended once a day, which is inadequate because we have only 4 grams. And you need ideally to have it twice a day. Why you need it is because as our age grows bigger, the vessels become smaller. So when you relax the blood vessels of the muscle, artery, brain, heart, more blood goes to the organ, it functions better. So हमने before and after आपको muscle का दिखाया है, before and after muscle heart का दिखाया है. So blood vessels everywhere, whether it is brain, skin, hair, muscle, reproductive organs, will be function better once they get adequate nitric oxide. Routine mein nitric oxide is produced by exercise. Most Indians housewives claim that they exercise a lot by doing the housework, but scientifically it is not proved to be true. Scientifically, homework is useless as an exercise. It has to be focused exercise. So most Indians don't exercise enough. So when you use nitric oxide, you actually get the effect of exercise without exercising, which doesn't mean you should not exercise, which means you must exercise, but if you are lazy one fine day, have an extra scoop of Niteworks and that will do. Luis Ignaro, who discovered this product in America, he has more L-arginine and L-citrulline. He himself says in all his trainings, I take it twice a day. So if he is taking an American richer product twice a day, for India, most people ought to. The only thing is sometimes we find it too expensive for our budget and we cannot afford it. That is understandable. It comes from dark chocolate, tofu, beetroot, watermelon, anar, pista, black tea leaves, and walnuts. So if you have an opportunity to eat this, eat these. Beta Heart is basically beta glucan from oats, and it is designed to be fiber rich, thereby decreasing absorption of cholesterol and help controlling blood sugar, because the insoluble portion of fiber cleans the intestine, but the soluble portion of fiber decreases cholesterol absorption and stabilizes blood sugar. So beta glucan is designed to help heart. When you come to the gut, please understand, today in 2021, science is doing EMS. All disease begins in gut. By the way, this is Hippocrates talking about all disease begins in gut. 2,500 years back, 2,500 years down the line, science is working on the concept of microbiome, the healthy bacterial intestine, and they say brain is very, very important. By the way, 95% of serotonin, which makes us feel happy, is produced in small intestine. 70% of our immunity is located in our gut. 62% of people suffer from digestive complaints. Imagine if your happiness hormone is in the intestine and your intestine is not working. How can you feel happy? If you don't have a good healthy gut, how can your immunity be good? So if you have a healthy gut, your immunity is good. By the way, please understand, the brain is intimately connected to stomach and stomach is intimately connected to brain. Science recognizes this as a gut-brain axis. So our mood, stress, anxiety, behavior depends on brain. So when you hear a bad news, what do you want to do first? Rush to the toilet. When you feel happy, when you get good news, your stomach says, I feel great. So your stomach is reflecting your emotion because it is so. Unhealthy colons are dark, black. Healthy colons are purple, red, good looking, no constipation, no gas. To do that, you need what are called prebiotics and postbiotics. By the way, garlic, leek, onion, Jimica, kale, sunchoke, caper, turmeric, brown broth. I am promising you 99% of you don't know what a caper is or a Jimica is, hasn't had a leek or a garlic in a lot of time, don't know what a sunchoke is. So yes, do they look good on photograph? Absolutely so. Are they practical? No. Also, most fashionable thing today is lactose intolerance. It is fashionable to say, and a lot of our associates are also happy because we now have a so-called solution to this problem. But I want you to understand this. If you are lactose intolerant, you cannot eat butter, you cannot drink milk, you cannot have ice cream, you cannot have cheese, you cannot have dahi, you cannot have whipped cream. If you feel milk upsets you, but you can have ice cream and butter and dahi and cheese, then you are not truly lactose intolerant. You might be quantitatively lactose intolerant, but not qualitatively. Anyway, to cut short a problem, we created a product called ShakeMate, which has 30% of lactose that in regular milk. So if your lactose intolerance is related to those, ShakeMate is a very good idea. Also, when you are traveling, you can easily carry Formula One, PPP, and ShakeMate, and water is available everywhere. So when you make a ShakeMate shake, you get as much nutrition as you get from a Milkmaid shake. Probiotic is designed to improve the healthy bacteria in our stomach. Aloe and immunity, Aloe Plus are immunity booster, stomach soother, at least on paper. And fiber is divided into soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, reduces cholesterol, keeps blood sugar stable, is found in beans, fruits, and oats. Insoluble fiber increases the bulk, prevents constipation, cleans the intestine, and found is broccoli, cabbage, green leafy vegetable, wheat bran, brown rice, skin vegetables. I would encourage all housewives on this call to start not peeling skin off potatoes or loki or tori. Eat it with the skin. Skin is a very healthy part of any fruit and vegetable. Banana may be an exception, but otherwise, and pineapple, of course. But otherwise, you should always add, especially to potatoes, because potato is potassium rich, fiber rich skin. So don't peel off the skin. Initially, your parents and children will grumble, but they will get used to it. It is recommended for Indians 40 grams per day, ICMR. We get 10 to 12 grams. So every one of us is protein fiber deficit if you are not supplementing. So there is a role for supplementation. By the way, how does 30 gram of fiber look like? One apple has 4 grams. So maybe 8 apples a day. One potato with skin, which I just recommended, is just 2 grams. So 15 potatoes. 2 carrots with skin, 6 grams. So 10 carrots. I थोड़ा टफ है भाई, इसलिए हम क्या कहते हैं, ये चम्मच 2 डालो, 10 ग्राम फाइबर मिलेगा. Drink it in water anytime, preferably at bedtime, and just let it clean your intestine, stabilize your cholesterol and sugars, and make you feel happy. Yeah, of course, chia seed, berries, Brussels sprouts, onions, almonds, peas, beans, cauliflower, psyllium, they also have fiber. Selectivator has a great advantage that it has resveratrol, which is the most powerful antioxidant known to mankind. एक अनार 100 बीमार कहते थे, अब of course अनार 3 चाहिए, but black grapes and pomegranates have a very powerful antioxidant called resveratrol. It not only helps prevent oxidative damage, it increases nutrient absorption, so gives you energy. Herbal Control is a tea in tablet form. It has black, green, oolong tea. Twice a day will give you 160 milligram of caffeine per day. Afresh is 40 milligram of caffeine in 1 spoon in 160 ml. Many people are afraid of the fact that it has caffeine. So let me answer this question. The first thing, caffeine is not essential for human beings. So if you are not having tea or coffee or Afresh, you are not missing anything. But we are used to a nation of tea and coffee drinkers. You have aerated drinks, you have energy drinks. Each of them is caffeine based. So what does science say? Pregnant women 200 milligram of caffeine or less, diabetics 200 milligram, adults 400 milligram. So if you are an adult which has no disease, you can take up to 10 spoons of Afresh. Not that I say you do, but you can in theory take. If you don't want to take it, great. So also understand, caffeine tolerance varies from person to person, age to age, mental and physical status time wise. So be careful when you use caffeine rich drinks. Don't overgo, but you don't have to worry about, oh, it has caffeine, so it will be harmful. Caffeine is not harmful in the correct doses. The fatal dose of caffeine is 10 gram, and you are never going to reach that. You will have to use the whole Afresh consumption of a year to do that. So don't worry about caffeine. Reassure your customers, if you have coffee and tea drinkers, we have half the amount of caffeine of tea and 1/3 that of coffee in our refresh. So it's a very good substitute to switch from moderately high caffeine drinks to less caffeine drinks. Skin is the largest organ of the body. As we grow older, the skin collagen starts breaking. So collagen is found in every cartilage, skin, ligament, muscle, tendon, but it also improves hair, skin, joint, and muscle. And collagen has a very important role in digestive health. So please understand, collagen is not only good looking skin, it is an overall health improvement product. It comes in red fruits and oranges, citrus fruit, soy product, green, olive, turkey, avocado, walnut, flaxseed, purple cabbage. Alternative is take our skin booster. Please understand, Herbalife has only 3 non-vegetarian products. One is omega-3. This is the second non-veg product because here the product collagen comes from fish collagen. So it is based on fish. It comes in a very good sachet. If you mix 1 sachet in 240 ml of water and have it once a day, it will help improve your skin. It cannot be made in milk or hot water. Don't make skin booster in hot water or milk. And please don't promise customers immediate result. Good results take 12 weeks, 3 months to show. So when you start using skin collagen, don't expect magic. Magic will occur after 3 months. Okay, magic will occur, but after 3 months. Cellulite is the bad, ugly, lumpy shape that keeps our good looking bodies and makes it ugly. We have a product called cellulose. The cellulose is made out of, the hair of maize. आपने अगर कभी मक्की खाई होगी, उसमें बाल होते हैं ना, जो बचपन में हम मूंछ बनाते थे, उसकी जब होती नहीं थी. That is zea mace hair is what is the main element in cellulose. It gets rid of water retention. And I know many of you would like to start this as the first product. Unfortunately, there are more better viable products for fat loss than cellulose. So sure, use it, but don't make it the first product to advise to the customer. Calcium is good for bones, but also good for heart. It lowers blood pressure. It decreases the risk of cancer. And if you're a woman, it will decrease the symptoms of perimenopausal symptoms. It comes from milk, kale, cheese, sardines, bok choy, okra, broccoli. Many of these things you have only seen in photographs and books. So if you take 1 tablet, in my recommendation, twice a day and drink half a liter of milk, you will get adequate calcium. Of course, the label says once a day, but that is assuming that you drink 1 liter of milk every day. So if you don't drink an adequate milk, you need to take adequate calcium tablet. Glucosamine joint support is our third non-veg product. It is designed to boost joint support because it comes from shell of prawns, oysters, and mussels and clams. There is some glucosamine in cherries and in oranges and in sardines and ginger, but not enough. So most people, as we grow older, want to improve our bone health. You need this. For sportsmen, 24, it is a combination of electrolytes and 5 essential vitamins. Mix 1 sachet in 500 ml of water and drink it while you are exercising or immediately after exercise. It will prevent dehydration. Once you stop exercising and get off the treadmill or whatever exercise you do, just mix 1 sachet of this in water and it will give you 4 grams of grade 1 PDCAS1 protein, help to repair the muscle damage during exercise. For children, we have DinoShake. This is designed to be relatively higher calcium and more pre-digested, so it can be good for a gut of child 2 to 8 years. Less than 2 years, can you use DinoShake? Yes, but loss prevent wastage. And 2 years children don't have the enzyme to break down the protein. So if a 6-month baby drinks DinoShake, it will not harm, but it will not give the full benefit. And over 8 years, obviously, we should give them the regular shake. Most mothers will understand. They want their children to eat all this, but the child wants something that he or she sees on the television. So melons, pears, oranges, berries, they are more theoretical than practical. Mothers have to tear their hair out and stop the TV before you can get them off so-called fast junk food. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Occasionally it's okay, but regularly it is bad. Herbalife has launched Ayurvedic range called VertiLife, which is supposed to improve brain health and boost immunity with the 2 products that we have. Lovelina was fortunate enough to be the brand ambassador with Dia Mirza for launching Women's Choice. It is meant for women of all age, but especially premenopausal and perimenopausal women. It has what is called chaste berry, which is 127 milligram. It also has soya protein isolate, soya isoflavin 60 milligram, but it has very little calorie. By science definition, any product that has a serving of 5 calories or less can be called zero calorie, which is why I told you the calories in our products just come from protein, carbohydrate, and fat. Woman's Choice is practically zero calorie product. We have just introduced a range of healthy snacks in the form of protein bites. So every time you eat a protein bite, you get 4 grams of grade 1 protein in 55 kilocalories and just 1 gram of fat. So it's a very healthy snack. It gives you satiety. It keeps the appetite under control and is available in a combination of honey, soya, and nuts. And it's really not very expensive. I think as an MRP, it's about 60 rupees per bar. We strongly follow 2 laws and you must know them. Explain them to customers before they ask doubtful questions. Product safe hai ki nahi? We follow a mega dosage law that does not allow the sale of products with unsafe levels of ingredients. Secondly, we follow labeling law. If somebody with a beard like mine cannot use the product, the company has to write it on the label. This product cannot be used by people with beard. So on our products, only one product, fiber tablets, used to have a warning that if you have acute stomach pain or you have ulcerative colitis, don't use the product. None of our products have a labeling law warning. So all our products can be used by anybody from birth to death. Be sure in your mind, if they will not benefit, they will not harm. Many of us are fond of claiming that polycystic ovarian disease ठीक हो जाएगा, heart disease ठीक हो जाएगा, घुटने ठीक हो जाएंगे और husband प्यार करने लगेगा, all that nonsense. Please understand, as Herbalife distributors, do not talk about disease. I am here as a Herbalife distributor, not as an orthopedic surgeon. I have no right on this talk to talk about treating knee disease. We promote the health of healthy. We help healthy people stay healthy till they die. So when you talk about Herbalife, think about wellness, think about fat loss, think about staying healthy for life, disease-free, drug-free, but don't think of treating a disease. Of course, many of you will ignore this warning and tomorrow do a talk on how to treat whatever. Please understand, the advantage of Herbalife is we offer nutrition same amount each time, each way. And always, whether you have 1 shake, 2 shakes, 3 shakes, 4 shakes, you will lose fat, lose fluid, and gain muscle. Now I understand this talk of mine was science. It was boring. It didn't have the fun and excitement. You didn't have an opportunity to say unbelievable, we will become president team, ha ha hoo. And this training is not designed for that. This training is designed for those of you who are serious to create a big customer base and help yourself go to the president team just on strength of a customer base. So if many of you have been bored, you have my heartfelt apologies. But those of you understand Herbalife business, the heart of business is product. You are secondary, I am secondary. If you don't understand, appreciate the product, you cannot bring along the customer. Customer will always think of Herbalife as diet. It's your job and my job to tell them, no, it is not a diet, it is a healthy food. So emphasize the fact that when you deal with whatever, you deal with healthy food. You are dealing with healthy food all the time, but you are important. If you do not grow, the business will not grow. So the last 5 minutes, I am going to talk about things that you need to improve every day as a quality. The first thing you need to know is you should know what you are. उर्दू में शेर है बड़ा मशहूर कि खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तदबीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Even God wants to know what you want. But if you don't know what you want, how can Herbalife or Raju ji or even God give you that? So improve your self-awareness. Secondly, sure, this training will help you improve your knowledge. But there is so much to know. I have been 21 years in Herbalife. I consider myself well informed, but I know I have a lot of information to gain. Science is dynamic, it changes every day. So I spent a portion of my time keeping my knowledge up to date. Even in this presentation today, I must have done it hundreds of times all over the country to 10,000 people also. But in this slide also you will find new slides because I keep reading and updating my knowledge. Next time Lovelina or I do such a training, you will find new information because science doesn't wait for me because I've been 20 years in Herbalife. Science is dynamic. What is wrong yesterday is, when we joined, PDCAS was the ultimate thing to know. Today, PDCAS is outdated already, replaced by DIAS. You have to know DIAS, because if you want a good customer, a person who is willing to spend 30,000 rupees a month because you say so, you have to have the knowledge to get him. So keep improving skills, learn new ones. So if you can't make a presentation, learn to make one. If you cannot run a projector, learn to run one. If you cannot get up and speak, start practicing in mirror and insist that you do a HOM, do a meeting, do a Zoom call. Plus, please understand, out of 8 billion people, there is nobody like you. You are unique. I at least definitely don't know anybody as good looking as Sweta Ganeshan. Sweta Nagesh. Sweta Nagesh, have I got your name right? Very good. So she is the only one in the whole world. She has to be proud of what she is. She has to look good, feel good, but most importantly, she has to believe that she is the best. If she is going to be distracted by people say, oh, your nose is too fat, your color is too dark, your eyebrows are too high, your hair is too gray, then she is not going to go anywhere. She has to say, I am the best me. If you want me, take me as I am. Obviously, you will have to learn new strengths. You will have to develop talents. And if you are not going to make money millimeter by millimeter, this art is for me, I hope. Thank you very much. Or somebody has given it to you. Improve wealth all the time. You have to make profit every single day. And please understand, you have strengths I don't have. You have weaknesses I don't have. If you focus on your strength and I focus on my strengths, our weaknesses are eliminated. Why do you think we need a team? Why do you think we need people? Why do you think we need new people with different skills? I need somebody who can speak Telugu and translate. Otherwise, this training would have gone waste. If somebody could not translate this into Hindi, half the people may not have understood what I said. So please understand, we are a team. We need to improve each other's strengths and potential. This is one of my most favorite things Jim Rohn said. He said there are only 3 colors, 10 digits and 7 notes. 3 कलर तो आपको पता ही है, प्राइमरी कलर रेड, ब्लू एंड येलो. 10 डिजिट का मतलब 0 से लेके 9 तक, और 7 नोट वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक में है, इंडियन म्यूजिक में 8 है, सारे गामा पादा निसा. अब आप सोचिए इसी सारे गामा पादा निसा को लता मंगेशकर इस्तेमाल करती है तो सुर बनता है, और मैं इस्तेमाल करूं तो बेसुरा बनता है. I haven't changed the notes. The music is not mine. It's how I put it together. You have skills that can create tremendous music in your lives. Don't underestimate yourself. What you do with a color, Picasso, same 3 colors, billions of dollars of same. I make a great good looking painting and nobody buys it. Same 3 colors. So you are individual. It is important that you have skills that you develop and you use them. Also, all of us have handicaps. I wish I was married to a younger girl, not Lovelina. I wish I had 5 Mercedes. I wish I had a bigger home. But if I worry about what I don't have, I will not focus on what I have. Similarly, every one of you has something unique God has gifted you. Isiliye Oscar Pistorius is the world's foremost blade runner. Of course, now he's slightly trapped because his girlfriend got murdered, but he has no legs, but he's a world champion. He said, you are disabled by the disability. You are not disabled by the disabilities you have. You are able by the abilities you have. आपकी काबिलियत तय करती है कि आप कितना आगे जाएंगे. आपकी कमजोरियां ये नहीं तय करती हैं आप कितना आगे जाएंगे. सबकी कमजोरियां हैं. All of us are weak. None of us is perfect. None of us has everything that we want. We don't have skills. We don't have health. We don't have money. We don't have whatever. But if I focus on my weaknesses, when will I focus on my strength? You are over 300 people on this call left. 200 have already got bored, which is great. But you 300, please focus on your strengths. Every one of you has a unique God-gifted passion strength. Focus on that. That is what will make you president teams. If you don't know yourself, improve yourself or share yourself, how will you grow? So Aristotle said, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. You should know your strengths. You should know your weaknesses. You should also understand is all of us can learn new skills and improve. Because if you are happy with what you have, you can never go. Comfort zone, nothing grows there. It is good looking place, but it doesn't grow. Share yourself. What is the use of your skill if I don't benefit from it? Robert Ingersoll has a very thing. We rise by lifting others. Einstein said, I have lifted myself up by standing on shoulders of giants that preceded me. World champion, Nobel Prize winners, weightlifters, everybody has an inspiration who says, okay, you can become better. You have to be that inspiration, A, to yourself, B, to your customers, and 3, to your downlines, by telling them, yes, you can do it, yes, you can do it, yes, you can do it, let's do it together. Now, if you are not worried about your physical development, if you don't care about how your hair looks, or how your beard looks, or how your nail polish looks, or how your lipstick looks, then it's a challenge. You have to get up in the morning and say, wow, today somebody has to fall in love with me all over again. Which doesn't mean you return that love. Which just means you're so attractive, they fall in love with you and say, no, I'm happily married to whatever, or I'm unhappily married, but I don't want you. So treat your body like a temple. We clean it, we wash it, we change the clothes every day. You have to be proud of how God has made you. You cannot change your height. Most of you are adults. You cannot change your how your nose looks. You can't change the color of your eyes. So don't worry about, oh, if I was blue-eyed, I would be great. Forget it. You have to accept what you are, take care of it. This is most important. Every single day when you get up, there is a fight between your brain and the heart. The heart says, let me not do it. The brain says, no, idiot, get up and go to work. You have to fight this every day. What is good, you decide. What is ethical, you decide. What constitutes integrity, you decide. Don't let me decide it for you. Decide the balance between your head and heart. You will have a great spiritual development. And mental development is based on what you think, what you speak, what you see, and what you hear. All 4 are equally important. Make sure that you are not afraid, because what you think is going to happen negatively never ever happens in 99% cases. What was I afraid of? That I, as an orthopedic surgeon, when I told somebody about pills and powders, they would say, oh, this guy did badly as an orthopedic surgeon. Now he had no career. That is why he's selling pills and powders. I didn't want to talk to a person with knowledge and he would say, okay, I will think about the product. What the hell will you think? He is getting information from the most skilled Herbalife distributor in the world and he is saying, I will think about it. What will his wife say? 140 kg, I want to lose weight. Let me ask my wife. Arey baba, wife kya bolegi? Nahi, 150 kilo ho jao. So sometimes, but 90% of people reject you. For many of you, Herbalife, nutrition, sales, direct marketing is unknown. Learn it. Do the uncomfortable till it becomes comfortable, Jim Rohn used to say. When you wear a button, everybody looks at you and says, wow, my father-in-law and mother-in-law's 50th anniversary celebration happened on a day when there was spectacular going in Delhi. So we invited our friends, but obviously I was wearing the same suit with a button. As soon as I enter the venue, my Lavlina's eldest mama, who is based in US, said, take off this button. So I said, no, this button is paying for this function. You won't have this function but for my money and Lavlina's money, and their money comes from Herbalife. So yes, when we wear a button, we are different. When we wear a Herbalife t-shirt, we expect everybody to look at us. But if you're not proud of what you do, why do it at all? Also, when you tomorrow talk to somebody about the product, don't think back on today's training. I have 21 years of reading, writing, and learning about nutrition. You can never ever match me, but you don't have to match me. You have to tell the salient points of the product, and that is good enough. None of us is ever as good as our senior. I can never be as good as Mary Holloway, who is our sponsor, because she has been doing it for 11, 12 years more. I cannot be as good as Rajuji when it comes to speaking Telugu, at least because I have never spoken it all my life. So if I am afraid of doing a training for Telugu speaking people, then I am failing in my job. My job is to do the best I can and hope most of you understand what I am saying. Because if your why is weak, you will never be able to do this business. Make sure you have a strong why so that when things become difficult, your business is not going as well as you can bear it. If your focus is that you want to give your family the healthiest, wealthiest possible lifestyle with Herbalife, every single no is not yet. Every person who says, I will think about it, you say, best of luck, think about it, let me talk to the next person. So Nish said, he who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. This is the foundation of my life. I follow this very clearly. All my business, all my life, I worry about whys. Because how I can solve, but why I have to develop. If my reason is not strong enough, I won't make an effort of getting up, making a presentation talking this. I could have shown you a 15-year-old presentation. It would look similar to most people. But this is a brand new presentation. Finish this afternoon, because this presentation of personality development I added after Rajuji told me, let's talk a little about personality development. So it's a brand new presentation. So please write down what you want, how badly you want it, by when you will want it. And when you have done that, you have people joining you, ask them, write your why, write how badly you want it. Because there is a philosophy called 7 whys. So the first why is not the correct why. It is the 7th why. So why do you want to make money? You say, because I want a big home. Okay, so why do you want a big home? Because my parents need a separate bedroom. Why do your parents need a separate bedroom? Because between husband and wife, we don't have good physical relationship because our parents are on the same room. Why do you want to have good physical relationship? Because it's a part of showing love. Why do you want to show love? So that we feel committed to each other. So if you ask why 7 times, the 7th why is the correct answer. It's called the law of 7 whys. You will try it yourself and ask somebody else. Your job is to plant seeds of hope. I am here to tell you, every one of you, if you determine today and work for it, will become president team. Now, that doesn't mean we will have 200 plus 300 president teams on this group. Maybe, maybe not. But my job is to say, every one of you can do it. Because I know for a fact that if my sponsor on the first day had told me, in next 13 years you will be president team, I wouldn't have believed him. It was impossible, because then there were only maybe 1500 president teams. President teams को हम ऐसे देखते थे जैसे Aishwarya Rai, Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan all rolled into one. For us, they were, I mean, from another planet. But today, when I am a president team, I look at Rajuji, I realize, oh, we have the same challenges. We still haven't got to 15K, 20K, 30K. And all of you need to work hard. Rajuji is on verge of 30K. You must do that. Okay, work a little harder. Please understand, you appreciate this lawn behind me if you do. It is absolutely beautiful and very peaceful. But it started with a seed. 3 years back, this was just seeds. All the flowers of tomorrow are in the seeds of today. Whatever you will do tomorrow, decide today. Have patience. You don't deliver a baby in 6 weeks. It takes 9 months. You don't become a president team in 2 days, 3 days, 9 months. Ravi Sundaram did it, but he's exceptional. He is the exception that proves the rule. I took 13 years and I'm happy because I know many people who haven't gone there in 21 years. So sure, you want to have president team. Sure, you want to enjoy the pin and the privilege and the perks and the recognition, but have a little patience. Millimeter by millimeter is a statue built. You don't put a hammer on marble and it becomes a statue. Similar is life. So also, and this is another thing I follow myself very much, and Rajuji is a witness to this, I follow my passion. I actually honestly many times don't even listen to what Lovelina has to tell me. My father was extremely generous man. He never told me what to do. And my children have never heard from me what to do. I gave them the freedom to follow their passion. And I can tell you with absolute pride that they have flowered so well. They are probably the best children anybody can hope for because they didn't have any parental pressure. Similarly, when you look at Herbalife career, don't worry about your uplines, sidelines, downlines. Focus on what you want. Your goal, your dream, your mission is your goal, your dream, your mission. It is not my goal, my dream, my mission. Follow your passion. Use Herbalife, stay safe. And Lovelina joins me in wishing you health, wealth, and longevity. And 21 years down the line, we are still grateful for every opportunity, for your time and attention. You pay us so much attention for 2 hours that I am sure many of you are saying, when is he going to stop? So here is the stop. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You bring great pleasure to our lives, and I hope today's training has added some value to your life. Every single one of you on this call is precious to me and Lovelina. And I hope whenever you become president teams, maybe some of this training you will remember as helping you go to the president team. God bless all of you. Have a great future and see you at the president team. Thank you very much.
Wow, very good information. Thank you so much, Dr. Nadir sir. Amazing information, amazing training. ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు కొట్టడానికి ఉందా మీకు? So I'll open this thing, you know. అందరూ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని ఒకసారి ఎట్లా హౌ డిడ్ యు ఫీల్ ఇట్?
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Lavlina ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Given a wonderful information, sir. I learned.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
For giving wonderful message.
All your time was
Thank you everyone for
Chala, thank
I hope
Thank you.
it read you to your life.
అందరు మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టేసుకోండి ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్. సో మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ డాక్టర్ అనిల్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ విజ్డమ్ అండ్ great training. I am seeing first time that personal development also came very well, and you are a master in he's a master, everybody know it. He's a master in the product, and maybe require one more time, because of lack of time he went very fast, but it came out very well, right? Many people, I'm sure, you taken lot of notes. సో మీరు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారు అనేది ఒకసారి మీరు మీకు చాట్ రూమ్ లో పెడతారా? మీరు చాట్ రూమ్ లో వాట్ డిడ్ యు లెర్న్? Dr. Anil Nadir sir, people are going to chat now. They are going to say a few things. So మీరు ఏం నచ్చింది, వాట్ డిడ్ యు లైక్ చేశారు అనేది మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో పెట్టండి, ట్రై చేయండి, సో దట్ డాక్టర్ నాదిర్ సార్ ఆల్సో హీ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్. సో మీకు ఏది ఎలా అనిపిస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్లీజ్ చాట్. ఓకే, బట్ ఐ లైక్ ఇట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పర్టికులర్లీ ప్లెజెంట్ పర్సనల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ లో చాలా గ్రోత్ చూసారా, ఈ గివెన్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ విజ్డమ్. అండ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ లో ఇంకా డీటెయిల్కి వెళ్ళారు కదా, ఈవెంట్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్. అండ్ సో మీరు చాట్ చేయండి అక్కడ చాట్ రూమ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి చాట్ లో టైప్ కొట్టండి. సో మీ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్, సో దట్ డాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో విల్ గెట్ టు నో. అండ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ లాంగ్ ట్రైనింగ్, ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2 hours, but still energy is awesome. Sir, how come you got so much of energy now?
Sir, thanks to you are taking us to Maldives. We rested there.
Okay. So it's a lot of content. You can keep going through the chat. So a lot of people are saying thank you so much.
No, they don't have to thank me. In fact, they should be thanking you because you are such a great mentor, and upline everybody wishes they had.
Thank you, sir. But we learned from you, sir.
Thank you, sir. You are being modest there, sir. I know that.
Thank you so much. So a lot of people are conveying their thanks or gratitude to you.
Thank you. They don't have to. What they need to do is put this all into action,
Yeah.
and make sure that everybody does extra business, everybody has more customers, and everybody grows. That's what we are together for. Growth.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So now I'll let Dr. Anil Nadir sir to leave, so that we can also finish our training.
Yes.
Already late అయిపోయింది మనకి. ఇది almost we started at 6.
Thank you.
6:30. Thank you, Anil Nadir sir. Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
for
sir.
your
Thank
great
you.
wishes. Thank you so much. So అందరూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లాస్ట్ లోకి వచ్చేసాం. వీఆర్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ క్లోజింగ్. సో మీకు డాక్టర్ సార్ది మీకు తెలుసు కదా, చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్, వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ ట్రైనింగ్స్ ఎవర్. బట్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మళ్ళీ నేను యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో పెడతాను, నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ దాంట్లో చూడొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇప్పటికే లేట్ అయిపోయింది. విష్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్.
ఆల్ ఎంటర్ప్రైనర్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసినటువంటి అందరికీ కూడా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. సో చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ గా చేశారు అస్మిత గారు అండ్ రామకృష్ణ గారు, అబ్బా రమేష్ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.